Now let us arrange these following integers in descending order. That is, from the largest to the smallest. Solution. For the first group of numbers we have, the largest number in this case is the number 200 minus 258. Good. As you can see here, when we begin to look at the number that appears small, but with a minus sign, we then identify that as our biggest number. Because when dealing with negative integers, the smallest is the biggest. So in this case, minus 258. And then, followed by this, we have the minus 385. Please do not be confused by their digits. The next one would be minus 386. If you consider these two we have just written now, they have similar digits except their last number. In this case, we have 6 and 5. So that is why we have minus 385 larger than minus 386. Following up with minus 386 is the number minus 401. And then finally in this group we have minus 420. For the second group of numbers, do not be confused by the fact that we have a 1 here and a 9 here. Know that in arrangement, this number minus 984 is larger than minus 1000. So, but in all of this, the biggest number is minus 878. So let's put that down. Minus 878. Now, which number comes next? You're correct. That is minus 946. And then we have minus 958. And then minus 984. And then finally minus 1000. We have now arranged these numbers from the largest to the smallest, or in other words, descending order. Well done.